In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a permissions in Zoho CRM. So managing user permissions ensures that your team members have the right level of access to data while maintaining security and efficiency. So now, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho CRM and already log in with your credentials. Now, on the top right corner, click on the settings gear icon and under the users and control, select the roles and profile. Unfortunately, we couldn't find it yet, so maybe because of the version or the location in here. So, assumingly, we found the user and control and roles and profiles, and then so let's understand first what is roles and profiles. So, roles is defined the hierarchy in your organization and the control data access, while the profiles defines what actions users can perform. For example, view, edit, delete, or records. Now, in creating or editing a role, you can click on roles and review the existing hierarchy. And then to create a new role, click add control and then enter the role name and select the reporting hierarchy. And then assign data visibility settings such as access to subordinate records and then click save when done. And then now navigate to profiles and click create new profile or edit an existing one and define permissions for different modules like contacts, deals, reports, etc. So choose whether users can read, create, edit, or delete records, and then set features access such as exporting data bulk actions or workflow execution, and then click Save to apply the changes. Now, in assigning roles and profiles to users, go to Users and then under the Users and Control section, select a user and click the Edit, and then assign the appropriate role and profile to control their access and actions. Unfortunately, I don't have another users in here, but let's assume that we have. And now click Save to update permissions. And for the testing and permissions, log in with the test user account to ensure the settings are applied correctly and try accessing different modules and performing restricted actions to verify compliance. And that's it. That's how you set up permissions in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.